PNP, too wicked and lie, and it's time for them to stop. Hey everyone, it's Skywalker again. I hope you are all ready for this. Family, let us tell the truth plain, plain. The wickedness of the PNP did not start today nor yesterday. It started right from the beginning of the party itself. Norman Manley, an Englishman, came to us with independence wrapped in a British slave constitution. He tried to destroy Marcus Garvey for calling it out. That was the seed betrayal dressed up as leadership. PNP too wicked and lie, and it's time for them to stop. From Norman, it passed to his son, Michael Manley. Michael was the one who enacted systemic terrorism, where the political party entrenched the gangs as enforcers. He baptized violence in politics, making betrayal a system. Then came P.J. Patterson, the most awful saboteur in the nation's history. He perfected the art of compromise, selling out Jamaica piece by piece, binding us tighter to Britain while pretending to lead us forward. PNP, too wicked and lie, and it's time for them to stop. Peter Phillips carried the baton next. He attacked Andrew Holness for building his dream house, trying to paint ambition as corruption. He was confronted by Ambassador Donald Tapia over the Daryl Vaz visa smear, and he had no evidence to show. He bent state organizations into propaganda tools and trained comrades to recycle lies, making sabotage generational. Peter Phillips is not just a politician, he is the saboteur, the devil in disguise. He taught the PNP how to lie, how to smear, how to betray. PNP too wicked and lie, and it's time for them to stop. But no, the baton has been passed again. Where Peter Phillips was extreme bad, Mark Golding is extreme worse. At least there were moments, half times, when Phillips would work with the JLP for national good. But Mark Golding, never. No cooperation, no compromise, no vision for unity. He has taken this mere tradition and amplified it. More lies, more propaganda, more sabotage. He fights hard to keep Jamaica bound to Britain. This white man is blocking constitutional reform at every turn. And remember this, the IC, the Integrity Commission, was kind and molded by Mark Bowling himself as a propaganda smear machine. He turned what should have been a watchdog into a weapon, a trumpet for lies, a factory for deception. Mark Golding is the continuation of Phillips, but without restraint. He is the new saboteur, the new devil, the one who makes betrayal permanent. PNP too wicked and lie, and it's time for them to stop. Look at the smear tradition. Edward Siaga branded dictator, corrupt, enemy of the people. Bruce Golding twisted into complicity during Tivoli. Andrew Holness attacked for his own house. Daryl Vaz smeared with visa revocation and hearsay. Later reinstated, with Ambassador Tapia confirming it was sabotage. Different names, same smear. Every JLP leader branded corrupt, criminal, or traitor. It's not evidence, it's strategy. PNP, too wicked and lie, and it's time for them to stop. And then comes the blogger machine. PNP aligned bloggers recycle the smears. They shout, rant, and amplify lies. Shrill tone, low credibility. Paid subs, boosted reach, algorithmic nudges, but still preaching to the converted. Their antics backfire, giving Skywalker and others endless content to dismantle. The smear is the script. The bloggers are the actors. Together, they form the propaganda machine. Wickedness amplified. PNP too wicked and lie, and it's time for them to stop. The U.S. ambassadors proofs seals the case. The U.S. ambassadors proof seals the case. Donald Tapia confirmed the visa. revocation was based on PNP hearsay, not intelligence. He pressed Peter Phillips directly for evidence. None was produced. The PNP claimed America made judgments it never made. Tapia said the opposite. That means the PNP tried to drag the name of the United States into disrepute, lying on Jamaica, lying on America, lying on the people. This is not politics. It is treason. To lie on your own country is betrayal. To lie on America is audacity. PNP too wicked and lie, and it's time for them to stop. And the local sabotage continues. Lucy Parish Council delays testify to the same sabotage culture. Funds allocated, projects stalled, comrades sacrificed, all to maintain political leverage. Betrayal at home, sabotage abroad. One consistent strategy from parish councils to international smear campaigns. The PNP has proven itself wicked, careless, selfish, and unpatriotic. PNP too wicked and lie, and it's time for them to stop. From Norman Manley to Michael Manley, from PJ Patterson to Peter Phillips, and now Mark Golding. The PNP's playbook is smear and sabotage. It was barred in betrayal, raised in sabotage, and now perfected in treason. Mark Golding has taken it further, refusing even half steps of national good. He is extreme worse. He molded comrades, trained vloggers, kind the IC as a propaganda machine, and lied on America itself. This is not politics. This is treason dressed up as leadership. The smears are consistent. The wickedness is clear. And the propaganda machine must go down or pay. TNT too wicked and lie, and it's time for them to stop.